Okay guys, so today I will be playing Rainbow Six Siege. This is my first video. And I'm also pretty new to Rainbow. So actually I need to go to my options here. Go to controls. Keyboard mouse. Okay. So actually I'm pretty new to Rainbow Six, but yeah, I guess we'll try. I'm only at level 6, like I said. Hello? Does anybody have a mic? Apparently not. Okay. Okay, so we got Ash, Fuse, Sophia, Sledge, and Thermite. I'm having a little lag. Oh boy, I'm lagging quite a bit. Okay, they have Bandit. Bandit got my drone with his, shockwave. Oh, sick! Alright, that's an easy first game, first round. But, wow. Okay guys, so that was a easy first round. Okay, it's just one of them. Okay, now there's more people. Alright. So we have Rook, Smoke, Jaeger, and Castle. Actually, let me go option. Okay, so that's actually better. So now I have to push to talk, so I'm not going to talk at all, and now I can focus on you guys. So, yeah, that's a lot better. Oh god, what did I just open? Groove music. I don't want you. Nope, get out of here. Get out of here. Okay. So, let's see. Okay. Sorry if the audio is too loud, but here, let me turn it down actually. I'm sure it is. Oh my god, options. Audio. Okay, there. Now it shouldn't be as loud for you guys. Might be still a tiny bit loud, but I got it smoked. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Okay. This is my first time using the screen recorder, so actually it is expected to be laggy. But it's all good. I'll eventually get a new screen recorder. But also guys, make sure to like and subscribe, because I'm just trying to make a new channel playing like all different games, whatever you guys want me to play. But if we could hit like even like 20 likes on this, bro, oh my gosh, that'd be amazing. I would love it. It'd be awesome if you guys could do that. Okay, let's see. Looks like we're gonna. I don't know if we're gonna lose this run. Okay, oh, that was unlucky. But just let me know what you guys would like to see. Sorry if I say like too much, but you know. But yeah, just comment on what games you guys want me to play, and I'm sure I can download them and get that content for you guys. Jaeger's down. Switch to Castle. Oh, Castle is lit. Ash should be lit. Let's go. Way to res Jaeger by Castle. That was a nice team play. Let's go. Way to push the time. Okay, so guys, if this video isn't very good quality, but you know, it's my first time, so first time ever recording. So give me a break. Okay. Also, guys, leave your Steam accounts down below, cause I'll play with you guys. on Steam. Okay then. Okay, it looks like they're upstairs. I knew I shouldn't have done that. It's okay though. Knew it. That was dumb of me. Okay, I need to start focusing a little more. Okay, I guess I'll go Jaeger. Okay, let's go. Actually, I'm gonna go I'm gonna go grab my armor. I'm also gonna place these. So yeah, guys, if I'm not talking that much,